Okay, ZMR 250 that I purchased, put together. Naze Flip 32 flight controller, which I already had, and replaced the X-Racer unit that did not work out of the box, which is no problem because I had an extra one. This is the little Sony, I don't know if you can read it, but this is the little Sony camera that came with it. That's where you connect the FPV wires. This is the top of the ZMR, which I already have everything hooked up to it. My Fat Shark transmitter is where you plug in the FPV wires. So now let's plug it into a camera that does work. Okay, so as you can see, the light is on, the 3S battery is plugged in, the camera on my practice drone is hooked up, wired in, as you can see. And now we go over to the screen. Boom. Okay, now I'll plug in the Sony cam that came with the ZMR. Now, I've plugged in the Sony cam that came with the ZMR. That's already built, put together. I was waiting for my Fat Shark immersion transmitter to get here to plug in the camera. Now, have that. Like I said, everything is going to be hooked up properly. Right now we have fuzz, so let's hold on. Put the camera down, plug in power, plugging in 3S. Plug in 3S, add lights on, everything is plugged in. I should be getting some sort of signal, and this is on the same channel that it was on when I had it plugged into my practice drone, and I get nothing. I have a button on the back of this that I'm hitting going through the channels, and I'm still getting nothing but static. If the camera was at least getting some form of power, it would at least show I have a black screen. And if I at least had a, see, I almost have something. There we go, something. See, it's intermittent, it's in and out. But that's the Sony camera that came with it. I have everything hooked up properly. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it or not. Positive, negative video, and positive, negative, and video input or output, whatever you want to call it. And I got nothing. And like I said, everything's working. And I know it all works with my little tiny camera I have on my practice drone that I beat up, so I don't beat up that one. So I hope that we get this resolved. Thank you.